Hi, it's Jolene. Welcome to my channel. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I share a lot of beauty boxes, Temu hauls, Amazon finds. Today, I am sharing an Amazon haul. Some of this stuff was I got on Prime Day, and it's definitely not everything. I kind of went overboard on Prime Day, but I'm just going to show you a few things I got that I liked. And one thing that I didn't like, but anyway, I'll get to that in a minute. But anyway, so let's get started. All right. Okay, the first thing I'm going to show is some things I got for my husband. I got him, he likes long shorts and he likes to wear them with his, to work in. These are kind of cargo shorts. This one is a Dickies, has a cell phone pocket. I think these were like at least $40 shorts, but they were like half off on Prime. So I ended up getting him like 4 pairs of shorts. I got these Dickie ones, and then he liked, from the picture, he liked the Levi ones better, but I'm looking at these Dickie ones, and I think they might even be better. But the Levi ones are like this. So there's the top, there's the side cargo, and I got him a light gray, dark gray, black, and I think navy. So he's kind of set with shorts for a while. So anyway, that's the first thing I got. I am going to put links to these things down below. I can't guarantee that they're going to be the prices that I got them at, but these are really good shorts. So if your husband likes shorts and he wants them long, this is a good buy. So now next I'm just going to get to a few odds and end things that I thought were interesting that I bought. This first thing here, it's a travel container. It's got 4 containers in it with, they're in a silicone, it's kind of a silicone sleeve here. It's kind of hard to get out, but I like the sides are clear so you can kind of see what's in here. But it's good for shampoo, conditioner, lotion, hairspray. I'm not going to try to get them out now, but they do come out. So it also comes with a funnel. So you can funnel some, you know, if you want to take your high-end good products when you travel, but you only have big sizes of them, you can funnel some into these and they're perfect for traveling. It comes with little labels so you can label your containers. So that's just kind of a fun find. The next thing I got is this C cord. You can fit it into your laptop. I don't know if you know, with the Mac laptops they use a C adapter thing here. So this can adapt from a C, so you can put USBs in this to connect to your computer, and I like this because it had 2. I have one that just has 1, but it's nice to maybe have a couple of USBs to plug in. So that's that. Another kind of a just odds and end thing, I got this little this right here. It came in a package like this. You open it up and it just is like a little desk or a travel companion. It has a stapler remover, pencil sharpener, some small scissors, tape, and a couple of different tapes, and staples, paper clips. So sometimes it just is handy to put in your bag with your computer or whatever too if you're traveling. So that's that. Very inexpensive product. I just got the clear, but they have it in different colors. Okay, the next random thing here is another travel type case. It's this case here. It's got a handle on it if you need it, and another thing you can attach something to it if you need to. The reason why I liked this one, and here you open it up and it's got places for your to keep extra cords, and you know, if you have USBs or anything, you can keep it in there. And same thing, it just, I can't, the picture showed a lot of different things you can put in here, but I like the back compartment, and these you can change the sizes of them. But I have my my big charger for my Mac. Then I also have a what's it called? A memory storage or whatever that I take with me, and it has everything from like my main computer to my laptop. So anyway, I can put those in there, keep all my cords and everything all in one place, and then that can travel to with my computer too when I travel. So that's that. Okay, the thing, I have a story. There's a purple one here too. It's down on the ground because I was mad at it. But anyway, these are just cute. It was a pink, yellow, and purple cords. They're supposedly good for Apple products, is what it said. So I like to use my iPad when I film, and my iPad was like out of whatever, it was out of battery. So I came in and I tried several different cords, and I was like, oh, I got some new ones, let's go try those. So I put the purple one in, and it didn't work. And so my husband came in just a little bit after that and said, I heard you yelling in there. What are you okay? I said, no. I said, I have tried like 4 cords and none of them are working in my iPad. So I went and got the one I use at night with my iPhone. I know that one works, and it's not working. So I don't know if it's what I have. I don't know, but it's just, it's not working. So it probably isn't this. It probably has something to do with my iPad. But if I'll list these down there. If you're interested in them, hopefully they'll work. And I should try it on my iPhone too. Now that I know I'm having trouble with my iPad. Anyway, so that's that little story. Okay, the next random thing I got is, you know, my house is pretty much black and white everywhere, and then I just use color for decor. And I did that because I'm older and I don't want to be changing my house up all the time. I just want it to be neutral. I mean, I do have, you know, woods and some other things that blend in, but I wanted these placemats for some time now, and this is kind of the theme of my Christmas tree too, so with red and white. But so I got a set of 8 placemats, and they're just the checkered ones. But I'm going to tell you, I didn't expect this, and it may have said in the description, but I probably didn't read it. But it's the kind of fabric, it feels really good. It has, I think they have some kind of a stain guard on it, so it's a kind you can just wash off, so you're not going to have to put them in the wash machine very often. So I do like that. So I'm excited about these, and they probably have them in other patterns. I don't know. Let's see. So that's that. Then I got a couple of things for my remodel that I'm going to show you, but I can't unfortunately show you the finished product for at least 2 months, probably 3, because I'm waiting for my cabinets, which is my husband, but he's really busy. And so I was going to put wallpaper in my bathroom and just a little bit in my laundry room. I didn't want to spend a ton of money. When I went to look up the wallpaper for my bathroom, it was like outrageous. I didn't think it was worth spending thousands of dollars for one wall. And so I know this is cheap. I bought it, you know, from Amazon, and it's not, I just was dying for this one. I was dying for this one wallpaper, and it just wasn't practical because of the price. So I went to Amazon and got this. Okay, I don't know if you can just see this good, but this is just like a gold fan pattern. I know it's bizarre, and that's kind of what I want. I want something to look a little bit bizarre. But so one wall, and my bathroom is pretty much white. I have gold accents, so with my tile and my fixtures and everything. So this is going to look really nice on one wall, hopefully. And if it is really cheap and it doesn't last, then I'll just, maybe I'll have to, down the road I can afford to go a little bit better. Okay, so the one for my laundry room is just a basic. It's just lines. It's just like a line pattern. And I probably the same thing. I'm probably just going to do one wall in my laundry room. But I have a tile 4 that's black and white, and my laundry room is going to be really cute when it's done. So I'm really excited about that. So I can't wait to show you down the road. But I did buy a few things. I'm trying to collect white towels, and I know I showed some from Temu I got. My husband wasn't crazy about them. I like them because they're real absorbent, but they're super thin. So they're sometimes not smooth to, you know, you rub them and they kind of stick. But I got used to them. This one, I got a set of 6 from Amazon. It's just a basic towel. I mean, it's a decent towel, but they came up to less than $6 a piece, so they were like 5 something. And if you just want a basic towel, your standard towel, and you like white, I would get these. So like I said, the 6 times 6 is 36, right? So actually it was a little bit over $6 because I think there were 6 towels. That's right, we're 6. So anyway, there's that. I'll put the link for that. And another thing, now most of these leftover things here I have that I'm going to show are like cosmetic type things that are cheap but rank high in Amazon beauty products. So let's see. Oh, one more thing. Sorry. In my bathroom, I have no towel racks right now because, you know, it's still not 100% finished right on my cabinets and stuff. But so I bought these little towel holders. They're just a basic, just stick on. There was 6 in the box. I'm actually really happy with the look of them. They're going to match my fixtures and everything. So I did buy those. So now I have towels, and I'm going to get these up so I have a place to put my towels. The next thing I said I was going to beauty. So the first thing I have on here, and this goes on sale periodically. They usually have it on sale during Prime. This is from the pink line. It's called Fresh and Clean, from the pink line of Victoria's Secret. And I don't know, I think I've gotten it on sale for like $6 to $8 or something, which is usually twice that much at the store. This smell, you guys, it's like my favorite smell. I put it on after I shower, and I just go like this everywhere. And my hair, my body, everything just smells so good. So, and it lasts like several hours. So even like I'll go to bed and even get up in the morning and still feel, because I usually shower in the evening, so early evening anyway. So yeah, I put this on and it just smells good. So that's the first thing I'm showing. The second thing is, now I just bought Estee Lauder and I showed a video of that. I got it on the website, but sometimes you can luck out and they have your color on Amazon. This one is the Double Wear Maximum cover, and this one, the Double Wear, what does this one say? Let's see here. Stay in Place. This is the Stay in Place makeup, which is what I normally wear every day. I did get the full coverage. It's maximum coverage, and it says camouflage makeup for face and body. Got this pretty cheap, like half of what I'd pay on the Estee Lauder website. So I'm really happy with this. And they also have these on Amazon for, I guess I could put both links, I don't know, because you may not have your color on Amazon, but they have this for cheaper too. So anyway, the next thing I got is some products from NYX, and I just told you about the other lip products I have, but I love this NYX. It's called Lingerie XXL. And I just noticed that name was kind of, anyway. So these work really well. They stay in place. They're probably a favorite of mine too as far as lip care, and you can get them fairly inexpensive. I mean, these are the quality of a like $20 to $30 lip product, and you're going to get it for half that, less than half that. So also, I've used this before, but this is the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop. It's a concealer. This one looks really light. Sometimes I like to use light concealers. I have used this one before and liked it. So, like I said, it's really light, but I like the consistency of it. I don't know. You can kind of see it. So, I got that. Then, I don't buy a lot of things from Wet n Wild, but I did buy a bronzer stick, which, here it is. Let's see, it's contour makeup stick from Wet n Wild. So I know it's really cheap, but I have my favorite bronzer, which I showed in a video I just did of, it's not posted yet, but concealer. I love the Anastasia Beverly Hills, but I wanted to try this one, and here it is. I like the feel of it, so I don't mind. I really don't mind the feel of it, so I will try it. So this is another, this is from Maybelline, and I've gotten this before from Amazon, and it's called Baby Skin, and it is a primer. It's a pore eraser is what they call it. Do they call it a primer? Or just pore eraser? Let me look and see what it says here. Instant pore eraser. Pores look reduced, skin looks smooth. So I look at it as a primer. So love this product. I don't know why, but I love the feel of it, and it's the closest thing I've found to my favorite primer, which is Professional by my favorite primer is Professional by Benefit, and this comes close to that. So it's just a lot less expensive. So I do love the Professional though, but you can get this for just a fraction of the price, and it's about the same thing. So there's that. The next makeup item I have is from e.l.f., and it's one I've been wanting to try for a while. I've had it on my list, and I don't know if it was just on sale or what, but this is one of it's top rated on Amazon. So it's just let me show you the package, but it's just a blusher, and there we go. Let's see. Looks like my color right there. Like it. Okay, it's real kind of a sheer feel, but it does the color. So almost looks like I have bronzer, highlighter, blush on there. So that's that. And guys, I think that's all I'm going to show for today for Amazon finds. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you guys sticking around and watching my videos. And I guess we'll see you all in the next one. All right, friends. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.